Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a video. You might not believe this, but Herobrien was in the server. I know, like Herobrien and stuff. You know, like Herobrine and stuff. You might not believe me. You can believe me all you want, but Herobrine was in the server. He even, look, this is video proof for Herobrine going invisible. Oh, I can't show you the video proof, but Herobrine, like, I was playing with my friend, yeah? And that's when Herobrine was here. And, like, we were both standing here and the glass was breaking by itself. That happened with the roof too, broke by itself. Then we looked out, looked back behind us, and the pieces from the roof turned into fences. So guys, today I'm going to be repairing all of the damage that Herobrine has done. And so like a few years ago, yeah, I did not believe in Herobrine at all, so I tried to summon him, yeah, and when I did that, yeah, like when I did that, there was like when I did that, there started to be like weird, mysterious holes in the world and stuff. And now I guess he like finally got to me. But guys, like, I'm not capping and stuff, and when I was standing here, I got hit out of nowhere. Like something hit me, and I bet it was Herobrine, like invisible. And like this video, I'm gonna be preparing. No, like I'm gonna be like rebuilding like all the damage Herobrine did, and like there's way more that I haven't told you about this, and like when I was standing here, yeah, I'm not kidding, I saw Herobrine, and as soon as I looked at him, he just disappeared. But like, guys, and he took away all of my torches, yes, to make it dark. And I still don't have all my torches back. I'm still trying to find the rest. They were just all gone. And this torch, yeah, it was gone when I came down. So I put it back up and then went back upstairs. And then when I went back downstairs, it was just gone again. Oh no. When I died to a spider earlier, don't ask how, I was really low from Herobrine and then a spider killed me. I didn't pick up my water bucket. No. Come on. Uh. Well, it's just iron. It's just a bit of iron. Oh, Zach doesn't have any iron that I can take. I have took his iron before without knowing. But, like, guys, this is serious. Like, look, I just saw another one of my torches. There. Oh, and there. He's like scattered them around the world, all my torches. Guys, this is serious though. So today I'm going to be repairing all the damage he's done. And so I'll start off with these. He placed these for some reason. He's basically just ruined my house. Now, yeah, and remember about the roof I told you? I'm just gonna get some... Yeah, give my torches back. Herobrine. So guys, like, I didn't believe in him at all. So I tried to summon him. And I regret it. I completely regret trying to summon him a few years ago. Oh my gosh. Just give me some cobblestone and I'll be... You know what? I don't even want to just go down there. Don't need many pieces. I'll just do that. That should be enough. But guys, like, this is serious, so... Like, you believe him or not, believe me or not, like, Herobrine is in my world, I'm telling you. And he also did all of this for some reason, like, what's that? I've got, some torches back. Just gotta get some sand. Does an axe increase the speed? No. Okay. So, like, I was just playing casually with my friends. And, like, we were about to start, like, building a house, yeah? And, like, we went, like, to the... We went to, we went exploring, on a boat. And we found a village. But then my other friend who was kept at the... Who stayed at the home place, yeah? Was, like, saying, like, how we'd, like... Had, like, some... Like... things like to prove like Herobrine was in our server and he like thought Herobrine was in our server. And then and then we came home. Yeah. And then when we got home, like I just and like he was speaking in chat too and stuff, and it was just the craziest thing ever. But like he was actually... So let's fill in them. Do dum dum dum. Okay. But like, this is serious though. Like, Herobrine. I'm not joking around. I wouldn't joke around about Herobrine. So guys, just trust me. Trust me. I'm gonna be repairing all the damage he did. Now let's get on the roof and I'll show you all the roof damage he did. Like he even started speaking in chat at one point. It was crazy. I never placed that there or that piece of sand. I know he's been back whilst I was offline. Look at all of this. What was this? What? Like, what? Look at this. Like, oh. Okay. Like, guys, like, I don't believe this. I never thought this would ever happen. But I guess it did. Like, what? What? He didn't do much destruction. Not much, but like, he did quite a bit. What's that noise? There was a noise that was like... Like... Oh, guys, don't worry about this, though. We built this. I built it. But guys, I don't like... This is... This is just crazy. Like, I don't know what to expect. Like... Guys, that was repairing the damage Herobrine did. I've not told you everything. There's more to tell you. But that will probably be... Hey, why you gotta ruin the ending like that? Why you gotta ruin the outro like that, bro? Oh, I didn't completely finish. Hang on. So guys, that was repairing the damage Herobrine did. Hopefully, this won't happen again. And more of this might be told in another video. More of it might be told in another video. So yeah.